What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Hedera Hashgraph, which has pumped up over 15% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just above 6 cents. As you can see, consistently gaining value over the last 24 hours. So how high is it going to go? Is it worth buying it right now? Is it too late? If you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and then buy the dip, or is it time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks and so on? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and of course, as usual, looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high or even how low can Hedera Hashgraph go, and is there crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is down 0.5% in the last 24 hours, nothing major, and we do have Hedera Hashgraph as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, it has dropped just about 0.5%, nothing major compared to how much it's gained over the week. 20% up, with major drops here, as you can see, up earlier this week and pumped up yesterday, or even earlier this morning. And over the month, there is an overall 33% up, so an overall increase in value, which is good. And as you can see, it has been quite volatile, up and down, but it's good to see that it has managed to stay on the positive side. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,380%, making it $270 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase. A lot more people are interested, are looking into the crypto, because it is one of the top gainers and it's been gaining decent amount of value over the last couple of weeks as well, especially in the last 24 hours, meaning it's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it. More and more people are buying, selling, and in general just trading it, and is likely to go even higher over the coming hours, the trading volume. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Hedera Hashgraph, which is here in purple at just about 5 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here at 0.06654 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, is not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Hedera Hashgraph over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting this crypto to have gone for an overall drop in value, potentially dropping down just below 6 cents in target is where I'm expecting Hedera Hashgraph to be trading at by midday tomorrow. However, that doesn't mean it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher, heading towards the 7 cents target before it slowly starts to drop back down to around the 6 cents target, potentially by midday tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got quite of a mixed signal here. We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is literally flat out going in a straight line, not looking bullish or bearish. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Hedera Hashgraph to have gone through an overall drop in value, potentially dropping down to about 0.055 to 0.057 cents is what I'm expecting Hedera Hashgraph to be trading at towards the end of this week and early next week as well. Once again, doesn't mean it's going to be consistently be hitting red candles over the next 7 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit green days in between as well. Up and down, volatile, just like how it's been. But the overall outcome from this point onwards seems to be more on the negative side, dropping down to about 0.055 to 0.0057 cents. Sorry, not 0.5, 0.0055 to 0.0057 cents. Again, may sound a little bit confusing, but yeah, you know what I mean. So moving on to the daily chart, what next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Finally, we're looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and we are not looking too steep as well, meaning it is quite realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so let's say early to mid-October 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Hedera Hashgraph. I've mentioned this in my previous updates on Hedera Hashgraph. It is likely to hit about 15 cents in target in October is where I'm expecting this crypto to be heading towards. But again, guys, is going to be quite volatile at the moment. I'm expecting an overall increase in value, not just on Hedera Hashgraph, but the crypto market. I am expecting it to be moving towards a positive direction over the next 2 to 3 months, and that is including Bitcoin heading over $35,000. However, if there are any major updates or major news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Hedera Hashgraph, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good from Hedera Hashgraph over the long term. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we are in the lower part of the red zone at the moment, and we've got quite a long way to hit the green zone, which is we're gonna have to hit 16 cents is the zone we're gonna have to break out from to head into the green zone, which I'm expecting we should be able to hit by late October, early November. We should be able to head into the green zone depending on the market conditions, hoping that it does go towards the positive direction, which I'm also expecting as well. But again, as long as we slowly start to move in a positive direction, it should be good, and it is going to try and resist once it hit this 16 cents target. But the whole point is breaking out from here and heading into the green zone towards the very end of this year. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Hbar, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest figure you guys are expecting Hedera Hashgraph to hit in 2023. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot. That means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.